Welcome to 1483 Barton Creek Lane, high in the foothills of Bountiful, Utah. This spectacular home has over 5,000 square feet of beautifully designed and invitingly comfortable living space, with rich alder woodwork adorning every corner of the home. Warm and inviting, the entry and main family room perfectly frame a cascading 3-story waterfall through the large wall of windows, letting in the beauty of the outdoors. High vaulted ceilings provide an open and airy feel, while the oversized windows ensure that abundant natural light pours into the home and makes you feel a part of the breathtaking vistas just outside your door. Location is everything, and being nestled on a peaceful stretch of the mountain foothills ensures quiet privacy while still in close proximity to the community and area amenities. The open kitchen and dining area are stunning, highlighted by the custom knotty alder cabinetry and complemented by both the earth tone tile floor and the natural brick accents throughout. This large gathering space includes a quaint breakfast nook with views of the stunning waterfall. Wrapped in comfort and expert craftsmanship, the grand suite adjacent to the front entry is charming, has an additional room for a library and sitting space, and is just one of 7 luxurious bedrooms. Upstairs are 2 more bedrooms, and an executive office suite with an attached bath and built-in cherry wood bookshelves, as well as access to an outdoor sitting space. In the basement, you'll be able to accommodate plenty of family and friends, with 2 bedrooms, a family area complete with a small kitchen, and a large private theater where you can watch the newest releases in the comfort of your own home. The beautiful exterior features immaculate grounds that rival the finest wedding or reception centers, and you'll find joy in dining or unwinding there all year long. With a heated cobblestone and brick driveway, 3-car garage, and colorful landscaping, the property is a welcome respite for relaxation. This spectacular home, with its distinct landscaping and meticulous architecture and finishes, is the perfect opportunity to own a piece of serenity only found here in the foothills of Bountiful, Utah.